video a little.
Cause they smiling.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah, come watch this.
Somebody about to take a dump in that cup.
No.
Huh? No, dude. Just you have to watch it, okay? Don't be a fucking pussy.
Alright.
I've seen worse things, probably.
No, I don't think you have.
Ah!
Watch. You gotta watch this shit. That's not the worst.
Watch this shit. Yeah, you have to watch the whole thing. Just keep watching. Hold on.
Why?
Look at that shit. It's a fucking screwdriver, dude. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it, dude. Wait for it. Uh oh, it's gonna pop out there. Just watch. Just watch. Just watch. You ready?
Ah!
Wait for it. Wait for it. Ready?
Ah! What is wrong with people? This is why America's going to hell. This right here.
It's done?
It showed all the blood and stuff.
Cool.
Look, it's pee out blood. Look at this guy. Oh shit. Yeah, there's really blood away. So I've seen it.
Oh, fuck.
Wow. Why? 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 Who the fuck found this fucking video?
Timmy goes there.
Because
Oh shit! I just said it wasn't nothing gay. It was pretty fucking gay. Oh.